Hey everyone, welcome back to the story of us, where we are diving into the ultimate adventure, our journey through the history of the universe.
Last time we talked about the Big Bang. It was super cool. But you said art was not there yet. So where did it came from?
Ah, you are getting ahead of me. That's exactly what we are talking about today. How our cosmic home, Earth, was born. And spoiler alert, it involves fire, chaos, and a massive crash that changed everything.
Whoa! I'm ready. Let's go!
Okay, let's rewind to about 4.6 billion years ago. A massive star had just exploded in a supernova, scattering stardust everywhere. That stardust formed a giant cloud called a nebula.
Wait, stardust? Like the stuff that makes stars?
Exactly. But it's also the stuff that makes everything. You, me, Earth, everything came from this cosmic dust. Anyway, over time, this nebula started spinning.
Like when I spin too fast and get dizzy.
Sort of. But this spinning was much cooler. It created our sun. And as the rest of the dust spun around, it clumped together into planets, including our Earth.
So art was also born from space dust. That's so awesome. That Earth looks like a giant lava ball. What's going on?
Oh, buddy, this was Earth in its action movie phase. Chaotic, fiery, and full of drama. Imagine this 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a hot mess, literally. No oceans, no continents, just a molten surface with rocks flying everywhere.
So art was having a rough day.
You could say that. But then something big happened. Another planet sized body called Theia came charging in like a cosmic bowling ball. And let me tell you, this was not just a little bump, it was a game changer.
What happened next?
Theia got too close and boom! They collided in one of the most epic events in Earth's history.
Whoa, that sounds crazy. Did art survive?
It did, but just barely. The collision melted everything again, and chunks of Earth and Theia flew into space. Over time, those chunks came together to form something very special, our moon.
So, the moon is the Earth's body from a crazy origin story.
Exactly. And without it, we would not have tides or even a stable climate. That wild cosmic crash set the stage for the Earth we know today.
So, after the crash, did Earth look like it does now?
Not even close. Earth was still a hot, fiery ball of molten rock. Imagine a giant lava lamp, but way less peaceful.
I I don't want a such hot lava lamp in my room.
Exactly. And it was not just hot, it was wild. Volcanoes were erupting everywhere. The sky was filled with toxic gases, and there was not a drop of water inside.
Wait, no water? How? So how did oceans appear?
Great question. Scientists think comets and asteroids, which are basically space snowballs, brought water to Earth over millions of years. These impacts helped cool things down and created the first oceans.
So space snowballs made our oceans. That's so cool and a little bit weird. But Dad, why did Art get so lucky? Why not Mars or Venus?
Again, great question, buddy. Earth had a few things going for it. The perfect distance from the sun. So it's not too hot or too cold. Its atmosphere, which traps just the right amount of heat, and of course, its liquid water. These are what scientists called the Goldilocks conditions. Everything was just right for life.
Goldilocks? What's that?
Oh, it's a story about a little girl named Goldilocks who visits a house in the forest. She finds 3 bowls of porridge. One is too hot, one is too cold, and the third one is just right. So she picks the one that's perfect for her.
So I get it now. So Earth's like the perfect bowl of porridge.
Exactly. Not too hot like Venus, not too cold like Mars. Just right for life to thrive.
So what's next? Dinosaurs?
Not yet, buddy. First, we are diving into how life began on Earth. From tiny microbes to complex organisms. It's a story of survival, teamwork, and some incredible coincidence.
Sounds epic. Can we learn about the first creators in the next episode?
You bet. And for everyone watching, if you are as curious about Earth's amazing story as we are,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and let us know your favorite parts so far. See you in the next chapter of the story of us.